Now we all, as humans, come in different shapes, sizes and colours, and believe it or not, so do vases. So you need to complement your floral display to match your vase. And as you can see here, I've got a cluster of different vases. So the formula is this: if you've got an arrangement of flowers that is maybe this high, you need to then think of a vase minimum at least half the size of your display. And by doing that, you are going to enhance the look of your cut flowers. Vase, the platform, is very, very important when it comes to showcasing your floral designs. And one of my favourite vases is this one. It's got a big belly on top and it narrows down the bottom. One of my favourite vases that I've been enjoying for many, many years. So next time you're thinking of displaying your flowers, I want you to take a moment to also look at your vases, because vases enhance the look of your flowers.